Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off this mark on know how you can do that on your eBay app. We're going to figure out the solution on know how you can do that. So you just go up, you will click here on app, then it's going to show for you a window like this. And you just go down here, then you click here on settings, then you come to settings window here, and you just go down here, then you come here to adverse and related preferences, and you just go to next window here, and all you have to do now, you just go down here. So you keep going down and you come here to measure content preferences. You will preference, you will just click here on this mark or this color, but you just switch into this mark, it's gone, you click here, and like you see no color, it's gone. That's mean measure content performance, it's on off now, which now I give it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.